Hey guys, you might have seen the big news today that BlackRock has filed for a Bitcoin spot ETF, and a lot of people are excited, and rightfully so, I think. Will it have a big impact on the market? Yes, if it were to go through, it would have a massive impact on the market. But is it really a good thing for the cryptocurrency market? Well, let's talk about that because at first glance, yes, it would be massive, right? Because the price of Bitcoin would most likely go up based on that news. But what would be the cost of that? Getting in bed with a company like BlackRock, I fear, is never a good idea because you're basically selling your soul to the devil. BlackRock has some of the most corrupt money on earth. You look at their assets that they hold over $9 trillion in assets. Just think about that. The cryptocurrency market right now isn't even worth $1 trillion, and one company has 9 times that amount. So just think about that. Is that really something that we want to be tied to? Crypto is constantly being referred to as a place of nothing but scammers and fraudsters. And is there a lot of that? Sure. But there is a lot more corrupt things going on with the US dollar than crypto by far. But do we tie those two things together? Absolutely not. For whatever reason, the US dollar gets a pass, but crypto is always labeled as that. Getting in bed with a company like BlackRock would basically be doing exactly what everybody is already claiming that we do to begin with. We need to be distancing ourselves from that kind of behavior and saying, no, we don't want that. The problem is a lot of legitimate companies here in the cryptocurrency market have tried to create a spot ETF and have failed. Every time it either gets rejected or they get told, we're putting this off for now. So because of the ties that BlackRock has to the government, to a lot of contracts that they already have, I would assume that they would probably get this deal. But it's basically taking the money from people like you and I that are just average Joes and giving it to the ultra wealthy if this goes through, because Bitcoin right now is tied to nothing. It's for the people. It was designed for the people. It wasn't designed to be controlled by any entities, and I fear that a company like BlackRock would try to centralize this system way more than it currently is. They could buy up literally all of the Bitcoin on the markets right now and still have money left to play with. So that just goes to show you what type of business they're running. And I don't want to say too much more about it. I'm sure most of you probably already know enough about BlackRock to know that they're some shady dealers, but I really wanted to stress the fact that this isn't as good as it sounds at first glance, because when I first saw it, all I saw was Bitcoin ETF, like spot ETF, and I was like, that's awesome. But then I saw the company that was trying to make this deal, and it kind of bummed me out a little bit. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you enjoyed this talk that we had today, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching, guys. Crypto Clay, out.